Good morning, students. Today the continuation of the properties of the periodic table. Yesterday we have seen three properties: valency, atomic size, metallic and non-metallic characters. So after listening to the videos, please answer to the questions from in between the chapters. Okay? Use your brain to answer, not the guide or the net. Okay, so that you can answer, you will understand more and you will do it well. Okay, with understanding you study. So don't study for the marks to get the good marks, and all study for the life. So it will be helpful for your wherever you study and whatever subject you have taken. With understanding you have to study. The fourth property is ionization energy, ionization potential. So what is the ionization energy? Ionization energy means the energy required to remove the most loosely held electron from an isolated gaseous atom is called ionization potential or ionization energy. Okay, so here what they are telling means, now in our periodic table everything is present, metals and non-metals. Okay, so we take the periodic table. Here you see now the periodic table how it is. So this everything is metals, yes, this everything is non-metals. Okay, so here metals and non-metals and so many things. Here everything is in which form? Solid, liquid and gas form, but some are, so many elements in this are solid and liquid form. Okay, so here when they form the molecule, for example, so first you understand what is ionization energy. Ionization energy means remove the most loosely held electron from an isolated gaseous atom is called ionization potential or ionization energy. That means, so in everything, so you will get, with examples are only, these examples will help you to study the properties of the periodic table. Okay, mostly loose held electron, that means the electron which is far from the nucleus, the electron which is far from the nucleus. Now you see this electron is very near to the nucleus, first shell. Now this outside electron, this electron is little more far to the nucleus and this electron is little more far to the nucleus. Again if they get 4 shell, K, L, M, and one more shell if they get, means the electron is little more far to the nucleus. Okay, so if the electron is far from the nucleus, there is no ionization energy is decreases. That means to remove this electron from this atom, it will not, no need of more energy. Okay, because there is no attraction between the nucleus and this electron, more attraction, so that this electron is easy to remove because it is far from the nucleus. So we say that the most loosely held electron from the nucleus, easy to removing that electron, we need the ionization energy. If the electron is far from the nucleus, we need only the less energy to remove the electron. Okay, and here this electron is very closer to the nucleus, so more attraction is there. So here we need more ionization energy to remove the electron from the atom. Okay, so this is the ionization energy. But electrons can be removed only from the gaseous atoms, only from the gaseous atom. For example, we take the HCl. Okay, now H is what? Hydrogen. So chlorine is also a gas. Okay, so sometimes when it is in the solid form, now it is a one molecule because two elements are together. Okay, so when the molecule is together, it is difficult to remove the electron from the molecule. That is why what they do, after any solid one, they change into gas, solid or liquid molecule. First they should be changing into gas. After changing into gas, the molecule should be broken down into small atoms. So then only able to remove the most loosely held electron from the nucleus. Understand, students? When there is a solid, if the molecule is solid or liquid, it is difficult to remove the electron. So it should be changing into gas. After changing into gas, it is easy to remove the electron. If that electron is very closer to the nucleus, we need more ionization energy. If the electron is far away from the nucleus, we need less ionization energy. But removing the electron takes place from the gaseous atoms. Okay. So you just read this one once again. The energy required to remove the most loosely held electron from an isolated gaseous atom. Isolated means alone. Okay. Gaseous atom is called ionization potential or ionization energy. To obtain an isolated atom, okay, so that means isolated atom means, for example, I told na HCl is molecule, it is one molecule. Isolated atom means it should be break down, then only from this easy to remove the electron from the isolated atom. Isolated means alone. First the solid or liquid element is converted into gas state, and if the element is in its molecular form, then it is first broken into its constituent atoms. Constituent means which cannot be separated. Atom cannot be break down, na? Yes. So constituent atoms, molecule can be break down into atoms, but atom again cannot break down. Okay. So atoms, the unit for ionization energy is electron volt. So electron volt, the unit for the ionization energy means what? Electron volt, small e and this is the unit of the ionization energy. So they have given the electronic configuration of elements of first group.